If you want to streamline your support operations and boost efficiency, then this is the moment you've been waiting for. First, let's talk about support desks or call centers. I'll only talk about these for a moment, but they're a big part of a support team. Managing these can be a daunting task, especially when your team is flooded with repetitive queries. We're getting a lot of interest in the moment for our tailored AI agents that can step in to deflect common queries, allowing your human agents to focus on more complex issues. Just imagine having an AI that can handle basic inquiries like order statuses, account queries, or even resetting passwords. This reduces the workload of your call reps and speeds up your customer response times. The great thing about AI is that it can handle multiple queries simultaneously, ensuring that no customer is left waiting. Quick tip here is if you're running a call center, identify the top 10 most common queries your team handles, then filter these by how easy they might be to automate. These are the perfect candidates for AI deflection. If you need someone to help you with this, then speak to the team at Firney and we'll help you figure out if this could be a worthwhile investment. Integrating AI into call centers or support desks means fine-tuning models or training the AI on your historical data to accurately understand and predict customer queries. This involves using machine learning models that can comprehend and respond to natural language. The benefits here are reduced operational costs, faster response times, and improved customer satisfaction. So a bit of a checklist if you're thinking about implementing AI in your call centers. First of all, identify your high volume queries, list the most frequent questions, gather your data, so gather historical data to train the AI, choose the right AI tool, so select a tool that integrates well with your current systems, do your pilot testing, so start with a small subset of queries to see how the AI performs and then scale up from there, and continuously train the AI with new data. Using AI in call centers is about more than just deflecting the calls. It's about creating that seamless experience where the customers feel heard and valued, even if they're interacting with an AI. So let's talk about AI agents, in particular chat agents. AI agents powered by generative AI can transform how you handle your support conversations. These agents can be trained to understand and respond to various customer queries, from product information to logistics updates. They can operate 24/7, providing instant responses, ensuring that your customers always have access to support. A well-designed AI agent can probably handle up to 70% of your routine customer queries, freeing up your support team for the more complex tasks. AI agents can be deployed on various platforms such as websites, social media, and messaging apps. They can be programmed to handle multiple languages, making your support more inclusive and accessible. One key advantage is the ability to personalize interactions based on user data, which enhances that customer experience. For example, a returning customer could be greeted by name and offered support based on their previous interactions. So what are the steps to implement an AI agent? First of all, you want to define your objectives. What is it that you want your AI agent to achieve and for who? Choose a platform, so decide where you want your AI agent to be developed and deployed. Develop your scripts, create conversation scripts for different scenarios. Ensure the AI agent has access to the necessary data, and then test and iterate, so launch a beta version and refine based on user feedback. AI agents reduce the burden on your support team and ensure that your customers receive timely and accurate information. They're a cost-effective solution for businesses looking to enhance customer support without significantly increasing their workforce. And here, generative AI can significantly enhance those support conversations. By deflecting those common queries, you can ensure that your customers receive timely and accurate information. And Gen AI can integrate with your existing systems to automate product or order or consignment status lookups, logistics updates, and account queries. Just imagine the productivity boost for your team. So let's dive deeper into how AI can streamline those support conversations. For instance, when a customer inquires about their order status, an AI agent can instantly retrieve that information from your order management system and provide a real-time update back to the customer. This saves time for your support agents and enhances that customer experience by providing instant responses. So common AI-handled actions might be things like the order statuses, so check and update customers based on their orders or transactions. Cover any account queries, so handle basic account-related inquiries such as changing addresses or passwords. Product information, so detailed information about your products such as nutritional value or specifications. Logistics updates, so informing customers about their shipment tracking and delivery schedules. And then any other common actions that may be found in your particular business or platform. Implementing AI to handle these tasks ensures that your support team can focus on more complex and value-adding activities, ultimately leading to a more efficient support operation. Now, a word on API integration. For any of those use cases I just mentioned, many of those specific tasks related to your SaaS product or business can be automated seamlessly. For instance, integrating an AI with your order management system can allow customers to get those real-time updates on their orders and get answers and information to common questions without human intervention. API integration here allows those AI agents to perform tasks that typically require human intervention, like going off and grabbing the data about the order. This speeds up that process and ensures the actions are performed accurately and consistently. For example, when a customer requests a password reset, the AI can interact with the authentication system to verify the user's identity and initiate that reset process. Now, the benefits here, of course, are efficiency, so the ability to automate those repetitive tasks to save time, accuracy, you're reducing human error in those routine processes, scalability, so handle increasing workloads without significant additional resources, and consistency, so ensuring uniform responses and actions. Integrating APIs with AI allows you to create a seamless and efficient support system that can handle a wide range of customer queries and actions, improving that overall customer satisfaction. Integration with external LLMs can enhance the capabilities of your AI agents. These models can be designed to perform very specific tasks and access vast data, providing accurate and timely responses to customer queries. Quick tip here is to start small. If you're new to integrating external models, then use a single API and gradually expand as you see success. Using external language models, or LLMs, like Gemini or GPT-4, can significantly enhance the conversational abilities of your AI agents. These models are trained on extensive datasets and can understand and generate human-like text, making them ideal for these customer support applications. By integrating these models, you can provide nuanced and more accurate responses to customer queries, improving the overall support experience. So how do you go about integrating an external model? Well, the first thing is to select a model that fits your needs, then connect that model to your existing systems, train it with your data, so fine-tune the model with your specific data and match your tone of voice, add any custom data and anything you need to perform your specific action, and then test and validate, so ensure the model provides accurate responses, and then monitor that performance so you can continually assess and improve that integration. Integrating external models allows you to leverage advanced AI capabilities without needing extensive in-house model development, which boosts your support operations without breaking the bank. So how do you get started with deflecting support conversations with generative AI? Well, first, identify the key personas that interact with your support team and focus on their specific needs and queries. This ensures that your AI agents are tailored to the needs of your customers. Quick question for you here is, have you mapped out those customer personas? Understanding who your users are and what they want is the first step to tailoring your AI support. Focusing on specific personas allows you to create more effective and relevant AI interactions. For example, a frequent shopper might have different needs than a first-time buyer. Understanding these differences allows you to tailor your AI agents to provide the most relevant support, improving customer satisfaction and engagement. So first of all, determine who your main customer groups are, research their common queries and pain points, and then customize your AI interactions to meet their needs. And of course, you want to continuously collect feedback to refine that AI experience. By focusing on personas, you're ensuring that your AI agents provide the most relevant and effective support. So next, focus on tasks with volume and those that are easy to automate. This ensures your AI agents can handle the most common queries and it reduces the load on your support team. Now, if you don't have that data, then start with simple tasks like FAQs or order status updates and use the AI agent to start collecting that data for you as the questions are asked. These are usually high volume and easy to automate, providing immediate relief to your support team. Automating those high volume tasks allows your AI agents to make a significant impact quickly. For example, FAQs often make up a large portion of customer inquiries. By automating those responses to those common questions, you can drastically reduce the number of queries that require human intervention. So what are some common tasks to automate? Well, the FAQs, so automate responses to those frequently asked questions. Provide real-time order status updates. And think about account management, so handle those basic account queries and updates such as changing names and addresses. Think about product information, so offer detailed information on your products and allow your customers to dive deeper into your specifications and nutritional value information and those sorts of things. And then automate the initial triage of support tickets to ensure they're going to the right team members. Focusing on these tasks ensures that your AI agents are handling the most impactful queries, which will benefit your support operations immediately. Next, you want to start with a proof of concept and gauge the output. A POC allows you to test the AI in a controlled environment, assess its performance, and make the necessary adjustments before a full-scale rollout. A successful POC can provide valuable insights and pave the way for a smoother implementation. Now, a POC is useful because it helps you understand the capabilities and limitations of your AI agents. By testing them with real-world data, you can identify areas for improvement and ensure the AI performs as expected. This iterative process allows you to refine the AI before expanding its use, and it also gives you a good indication of how long things are going to take. For a successful POC, you want to set clear goals and choose a specific task or query to test. You want to collect the necessary data for training and testing, and you want to assess that AI's performance and gather feedback. And then finally, refine and improve, so make adjustments based on the results that you're getting. Starting with a POC ensures you can validate the effectiveness of your AI agents and make any necessary improvements before that full-scale deployment. Next, you want to build a user interface to fit your persona. So when designing that UI, think about the files or data your customers are going to start with, what they do in their day, and how you can make the input UI or the output data more useful. So put yourself in your user's shoes. What would make their interaction with the AI seamless and enjoyable? Design with empathy and user-centric principles. Designing a user-friendly interface is crucial for the success of your AI agents. The UI should be intuitive and easy to navigate, ensuring that users can interact effortlessly with the AI. So consider your user's typical workflow and design the interface to complement their tasks, making it easier for them to get the information or the support that they need. You probably don't need to cater for every single use case. Focus on getting one or two important use cases right first. But some key elements here for a user-friendly UI is to keep the design clean and straightforward, ensure easy access to key functions and information, provide clear feedback to the users about their interactions, and allow users to personalize the experience. And finally, make the UI accessible to all users, including those with disabilities. A well-designed UI enhances the user experience and ensures that your AI agents are used effectively, leading to higher satisfaction and better outcomes. Test the AI on a small group before rolling it out to all your customers. This allows you to gather that feedback and make necessary adjustments. And choose a group of users who frequently interact with your support team and are open to providing feedback. Their insights will be invaluable in fine-tuning your AI solution. Testing with a small audience helps you identify issues and improve before a wider rollout. This phased approach ensures you can address any problems early on, reducing the risk of negative impact on your overall customer base. By gathering feedback from this initial group, you can make data-driven decisions to enhance the AI's performance and the user experience. So how do you test with a small audience? Well, you choose a diverse group of users for testing and encourage those users to provide detailed feedback. You want to analyze the results, so assess the AI's performance and identify areas for improvement, and then make adjustments, so implement changes based on the feedback. And then prepare for the rollouts. Ensure the AI is ready for a larger audience. Testing with a small audience allows you to refine your AI agents and ensure they can meet your customers' needs, leading to a more successful implementation. Once you find out those issues, gradually expand the audience and enhance the capabilities of your AI agents. This iterative process ensures that your AI agents continue to improve and adapt to your customers' needs. Gradually expanding your agent's capabilities allows you to scale your operations without overwhelming your systems or your users. This approach ensures you can manage the growth effectively and continue to gather valuable feedback to enhance the AI's performance. Taking a phased approach ensures that each expansion stage is successful, leading to a smoother overall implementation. Now, what you want to do is plan the rollout, so develop a detailed plan for expanding the AI's use. Ensure your team is ready to support the expanded use, and monitor the AI's performance and gather feedback. And then iterate and improve, so make ongoing improvements based on that user feedback and scale gradually, expanding the audience and capabilities in manageable stages. By doing so, you can ensure a successful and sustainable implementation that continues to meet your customers' needs over time. Now, when implementing AI, ensuring compliance with privacy laws and regulations is crucial. Safeguarding customer data, ensuring that your AI practices are transparent and ethical is paramount. So regularly review your data policies and ensure your AI implementations comply with regulations such as GDPR. This will not only protect your customers, but also build trust in your brand. Ensuring compliance with privacy and legal regulations is essential for maintaining customers' trust and confidence. This ensures implementing strict data governance policies, regularly reviewing and updating your data practices, and ensuring that all AI interactions are transparent and ethical. By prioritizing privacy and legal compliance, you can protect your customers' data and enhance your organization's reputation. So make sure your team understands those regulations, so familiarize yourself with relevant privacy laws and regulations. Develop policies, so create and implement a comprehensive data governance policy. Ensure all your team members are trained on privacy and security practices, and regularly review and update your practices to ensure compliance. And finally, communicate transparently, so keep your customers informed about how their data is used and protected. By prioritizing this, you're going to build customer trust and ensure that all your AI implementations are ethical and responsible. One thing to remember is don't always opt for Gen AI. Sometimes the classic AI and ML APIs might suit your needs, especially if you don't have a dedicated data science team. Assess your needs carefully and choose the most appropriate solution. Generative AI is very powerful, but traditional AI solutions can sometimes provide a more straightforward and more effective results for those specific tasks. It's all about finding the right tool for the job. Choosing the right AI solutions involves understanding the strengths and limitations of those different technologies. Most likely a classic AI solution is going to be more appropriate if you need very reliable and highly predictable results for a very specific use case. By carefully assessing your needs and choosing the right technology, you can ensure that your AI implementations are effective and efficient. So think about the specific needs of the task you're undertaking. Do you have all the necessary data you need to train the AI? What's your budget and your resource limitations? And think, can the solution scale to meet future needs? And make sure you have the in-house expertise to manage that solution. By carefully considering these factors, you can choose the most appropriate AI solution for your needs, ensuring that implementations are successful and that they provide maximum value. Next, make sure you have the metrics to gauge effectiveness. So establish clear metrics to measure the performance and effectiveness of your AI agents. This helps assess ROI and provide data-driven decisions to enhance your AI strategy. So measure success using metrics like resolution time, customer satisfaction scores, and the reduction in human intervention. Tracking these will show you the tangible benefits of your AI implementation. Having those clear metrics in place is essential for understanding the impact of the AI agent. By tracking those key performance indicators, you can assess the effectiveness of your AI implementation and make data-driven decisions to improve performance. And this could involve setting specific goals, collecting that data, and regularly reviewing and analyzing the results. So some key metrics to track here. So resolution time. So how quickly are those queries getting resolved? Customer satisfaction scores. So are customers satisfied with interactions? This might be a thumbs up or thumbs down. The reduction in human intervention. So how much of the workload is reduced for human agents? So how many tickets were handled by AI versus human? The cost savings, so are there financial benefits from using AI? How much did it cost for the AI agent versus how much you saved? And performance consistency, so is the AI performing reliably over time? By tracking these metrics, you can ensure your AI agents are providing real value to your organization and continuously improving their performance. And finally, realize that everyone is at the beginning of this journey. Even the most advanced companies are still exploring AI's full potential. Embrace the journey and be open to continuous learning and improvement. The AI landscape is constantly evolving, so it's a good idea to stay updated with the latest trends and technologies to keep your AI strategy cutting edge. Understanding that AI is an evolving field helps you stay motivated and open to new possibilities. So embrace the journey of continuous learning and improvement and be prepared to adapt your strategies as new technologies and best practices arise.